Good morning, welcome back everyone. Special fatalfa to our Ainga members. It is another Sunday morning, a beautiful Sunday morning. It was actually raining a bit last night, but it's nice and sunny now. It's another episode of our Sunday cooking episode here in Samoa. So just getting started on the taro we harvested yesterday during this episode, and then I'm trying to get so we've got today's menu is soup, beef knuckle soup, and then we've got the umu luau, and we also have a Fasipuaa that we're going to reheat on the umu. So yeah, fairly straightforward menu. We're trying to get the fire started for the beef knuckle soup, as it might take a while, but then I'll get these out of the way now. So I'm just going to quickly pop back there. See, Av is going to get some stuff, and then we'll get the soup onto the heat. So hope you guys enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll see you soon. Right, the beef knuckle soup is on the heat, so I'm just gonna finish the taro and then get to pusa the umu, scrape the coconuts, prepare the luau, and then halo. So just finished husking the coconuts. Pusa kule umu. Taro's done. That's still on the heat, but need to get the umu on the way. Alright guys, umu's on. The fire was big. So while I was focusing on the umu, I noticed this fire died down. To jump back on it, let's get started on the coconuts now for the luau. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go get some more luau and then we'll finish it off. We're almost now on 40 minutes. Gonna get started on the pump for the soup. For a little more calm, had a bit of an incident. The
the Knuckle, all the oil from the pig that we were here was actually dripping down and caused a huge flame. See, most of this was the kauvila, and it burned up really quick. Luckily it was just right on time before ileumu, but this was too much oil. So I think the umu was about 35 minutes, so fingers crossed that 35 minutes was enough for everything. Just gonna leave it back on for a bit. The rocks are still hot, and then we'll be set. La whaamisir ka koko for the sun. Ang pia ko whaare ko ngoi me kako. So good. O mengu. O mengu. O Fasipuaa. O si singa nga o lunga kalari e ro marmea. Kalari e marmea mu o markau. Kau ko pe ko kako supur. We're gonna get the umu out of the way now. Everything is perfect. That is how you save the umu. Alright fam, so just the kapisi lift. The knuckles, the beef knuckles are still not to the level of Tindai one, so I had to rekindle the flame. We've got about an hour till church finishes. So yeah, I'm trying to hurry up. Also, if you guys noticed, there's a chicken there right next to the fire. This chicken has been here for the past 2 weeks now, so that's why I'm trying to move the flame here, because I don't want the chicken to cook. It's actually there because it's nesting on its eggs. It's laying on its eggs, so it's probably, which is why I'm trying to move the fire towards this side. Yeah, guys, feeling so tired. Alright, we're gonna add in the cabbage. Ooh, nice. This is watercress. These are the beef knuckles right there. It's been about an hour. Ooh. Look at that bone just falling off. The meat falling off the bone. It wants to fall off. Perfecto. Very nice. Alright, soup is ready. Alright fam, so we're just gonna head to the house. Show you guys a little surprise. Oh, sort of a yeah, we'll call it a surprise. But yeah, while we wait for our plate. Finally here at the house now. 2 weeks ago we lost Zeus, our black and white dog, and then last week we lost COVID, and these were one of our favorite dogs here on the farm, and it was because of paraquat poisoning, so the herbicide we use here on the farm, but we weren't sure whether it was because someone might have poisoned them, or maybe it was because it was accidental or something. But they suffered from that poisoning, paraquat poison. So it was really sad, and as a result it's been very tough at the farm without dogs. They were a really great help for us, so quite sad in the fact that we lost one of our two favorite ones and one of the strongest ones we use here on the farm. So but this is one of the reasons why we have to take care of our dogs, especially these ones that are very helpful on the farm. But yeah, it's this is the surprise. Just last week Friday, we actually found two new dogs, two new puppies. I'll show you guys now. This is one of them. So that is Zeus. No, that's Suki. And that's Zeus. Very nice, very playful as well. So, and that's Suki right here. Kitty. So these two puppies I rescued at the office. I heard them crying outside my office, and I just came to check, and I was like, whoa, this is like a gift. Two puppies outside, and you can see from the skin, their skin and stuff, that it's the damage from fleas and stuff. So it was quite evident then that they were abandoned. So I took them in, and yeah, I'm gonna raise them as farm dogs, our new farm dogs. So really excited. Sad that we lost Suki, and sad that we lost Zeus and COVID, but really grateful that we've got new dogs, and we're gonna have to put a lot more care into looking after them. But yeah, fam, I'll show you the results now. Teddy, alright fam, excuse the dirty table, but definitely going to show you guys our results. So this is our Fasipuaa that we did, that actually burned our umu. This is our soup, our beef knuckle soup. So you can see, very nice stock there. Ooh. And then our taro and luau. So yeah guys, very keen to get into this now, and hungry as well. Looks good. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish off now. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you again guys for the support, and thank you for watching our channel guys. I've got a bit of a flu at the moment, which is why I opted to go for a soup today, but I really appreciate the support from everyone, and thank you for tuning in every Sunday to our Sunday Cookie episode. Really warms my heart that everyone enjoys the episodes. But we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode guys. Just want to say have a blessed weekend, have a blessed Sunday. Definitely catch you on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you guys soon. Ooh.